I think it's about time we move on. This is the next section of the show. We're going to be singing, and you guys can sing along too. You guys don't have to. You guys can if you want. But yeah, we're going to be singing. Okay. Oh, so someone's gone. Where's Lino? Where's Lino? Lino! I've lost my cat! I lost my cat! Yeah, this is why we're called Stray Kids. Yeah. Kind of similar to Stray Cats, you know? But yeah, once Lino gets back, we're gonna move on. Yeah. Where are you? Oh wait, yeah, I want to talk about how when we were performing "Walking on Water," Changbin goes, "I'm walking on water. You can call me Harry Potter." Oh, I love that line. I'm walking on water. You can call me Harry Potter. We're going to the Shut up, man. Shut up, boy. You gotta say shut up to me. Shut up, man. Not my boy.
Hey yo, Lino's back.
우리 니노 어디 갔어? Where'd you go? 어디 갔다 왔어? Where'd you go? He went somewhere. Alright. He went somewhere. But anyway, let's move on to the next section. Are you guys ready? Beautiful. All together. London Street. Let's go.